Imagine living paycheck to paycheck. You finally save up $400. You feel proud. You feel safe. Then life happens. Your car breaks down. An emergency strikes. You pay $250 to fix it. You check your bank account, and now you're below their minimum balance. And without warning, they charge you a penalty for being poor, for surviving. How? Why? Let's rewind, and I'll show you. Banks advertise themselves as your partner, your protector, your safe place for money. But behind the friendly posters and the smiling tellers, they built a system designed to punish you for not being rich enough. It's called the minimum balance trap, and it was never meant for millionaires. It was built for you, for the everyday worker, the student, the struggling parent, the survivor. Exposing how the trap works, here's how they set the net. A minimum daily balance trick. Your balance must never fall below their minimum for even one day, not even overnight, or you trigger automatic monthly fees. At Chase, if you don't maintain a $1,500 daily balance, they quietly charge you $12. At Bank of America, the trap is also set at $1,500 daily. Miss it, lose $12. At Wells Fargo, it's $500 daily to avoid a $10 monthly fee. At CitiBank, $1,500 daily balance, or you pay $12. At PNC Bank, maintain a $500 average monthly balance or $500 direct deposit. Fail, and pay up to $15. At TD Bank, even a $100 daily balance is enough, but dip once and $15 disappears. At US Bank, $1,500 daily or $1,000 in direct deposits is needed. Miss it? Pay up to $9 every month. No flashing alerts, no warning, just a silent penalty for not being rich enough. B. Average daily balance scam. Some banks use average balances instead, but they don't explain how they calculate it. One emergency expense at the beginning of the month, your average balance plummets. Even if you refill your account later, the system is designed to trip you when you're most vulnerable. You finally saved $400. You were proud. You made it through a hard month. Then your car broke down. An unexpected hospital bill arrived. You did the responsible thing. You paid it. Your account dipped for one day, for one night. And without mercy, without warning, they penalized you. $12 gone. Not for spending wrong, not for breaking rules, but for surviving. The hidden psychological trap. Banks know life happens. They know emergencies strike. They know bills pile up. And they don't protect you. They wait for you. They plan for your failure. They don't profit when you thrive. They profit when you fall. They profit when life beats you down. The minimum balance rule isn't about safety. It's about survival taxation. And they smile while they take it. How to protect yourself. Real solutions. If you're trapped in a minimum balance account, know the exact minimum. Memorize it and stay at least $100 above it to avoid accidental drops. Set up low balance alerts so you know immediately if you're close to danger. Separate your savings into a no minimum online account so one emergency doesn't wipe out your protection. Find true free checking accounts with no minimums and no games. Examples you can explore: Ally Bank, Capital One 360, local credit unions. You don't have to play their rigged game. You can walk away. They punish you for living. They punish you for surviving. They punish you for not being rich enough to play their game perfectly. But now you see it. Now you know how the trap works. Now you move smarter. Now you move stronger. You didn't come this far to lose your money to quiet, invisible traps. You came this far to fight, to build, to win. This is WIMMtv. Where is my money? Find out here and take it back.